Hi everyone, it's Lean, and welcome to English Rhythm Lab. Today we're going to practice asking for directions in English. This is a skill you can use when you travel, visit a new city, or simply need help finding a place. Maybe you're looking for a train station, a pharmacy, a bus stop, or a hotel. You don't need long or difficult sentences. You just need a few clear, polite phrases that feel ready when you need them. And the best way to make these sentences feel more natural is to practice saying them out loud. That's what we're going to do today. Shadowing helps you improve your pronunciation, your rhythm, and the natural flow of your English. It also helps you feel more comfortable speaking in real situations. So don't just listen. Say every sentence out loud with me. Here's how we'll practice today. You'll hear each sentence 3 times. Say it out loud with me each time. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on speaking clearly and keeping a steady rhythm. By the end of this lesson, you'll have practiced 84 repetitions. That's real speaking practice. Let's begin. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station. I'm looking for the train station. I'm looking for the train station. How do I get to the city centre? How do I get to the city centre? How do I get to the city centre? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Nice work. Keep going. Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? Can I get there by bus? Can I get there by bus? Can I get there by bus? Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take? Where can I buy a bus ticket? Where can I buy a bus ticket? Where can I buy a bus ticket? Good. Say each sentence clearly. Could you show me on the map? Could you show me on the map? Could you show me on the map? Can you write the address down for me? Can you write the address down for me? Can you write the address down for me? Could you say that more slowly, please? Could you say that more slowly, please? Could you say that more slowly, please? What does this street sign mean? What does this street sign mean? What does this street sign mean? You're doing really well. Keep that rhythm going. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the traffic lights. Turn left at the traffic lights. Turn left at the traffic lights. Take the second street on the right. Take the second street on the right. Take the second street on the right. Cross the road at the pedestrian crossing. Cross the road at the pedestrian crossing. Cross the road at the pedestrian crossing. Keep speaking. You're making great progress. Walk past the supermarket. Walk past the supermarket. Walk past the supermarket. Keep going until you see the park. Keep going until you see the park. Keep going until you see the park. Take the bridge over the river. Take the bridge over the river. Take the bridge over the river. Follow this road to the end. Follow this road to the end. Follow this road to the end. Good job! These are useful sentences for real life. It's next to the bank. It's next to the bank. It's next to the bank. It's opposite the hotel. It's opposite the hotel. It's opposite the hotel. It's between the cafe and the bookshop. It's between the cafe and the bookshop. It's between the cafe and the bookshop. Am I going the right way? Am I going the right way? Am I going the right way? Stay with me. You're building confidence one sentence at a time. The entrance is behind the building. The entrance is behind the building. The entrance is behind the building. It takes about 10 minutes on foot. It takes about 10 minutes on foot. It takes about 10 minutes on foot. Is there a shortcut? Is there a shortcut? Is there a shortcut? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Excellent work today. You just practiced 28 useful sentences for asking for directions. That's 84 times speaking English out loud. Now you have simple, natural phrases to ask for help, understand directions, and find your way with more confidence. Remember, you don't need perfect English in real life. You just need to speak clearly, stay calm, and keep the conversation going. The more you practice sentences like these out loud, the easier they will feel when you really need them. Thanks for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed today's practice and want to keep building your confidence, subscribe to English Rhythm Lab for more simple English shadowing practice. And tell me in the comments, what situation would you like to practice next? I'll see you in the next lesson.